Hello students, good morning. Today I will start chapter 7 comparison. In my previous class, I have shared my own video where I have explained about comparison in detail. Today I will show you how to solve all the exercises. Sometimes we use adjectives to show how people and things compare with one another. We add er to the adjective to compare two things. Means when we are comparing between two persons, between two things, or between two animals or birds, we will add er to the adjective. For example, this boy is shorter than this boy. So we will say like this that Dhruv is shorter than Akhil. When we are comparing between two persons, we will use the word than. Okay? And we will add er. Means this boy is shorter. Short is the adjective and we will add er to the adjective short and we will make this comparative form of adjective, that is shorter. But if we compare more than two persons, then what we will write? Suppose for example Akshay. Akshay is tallest, right? Akshay is tallest of all boys. Okay, Akshay is the tallest of them all. Now, when we are comparing among more than two persons, then we will add or we will use the, okay, before the adjective. We will use the. For example, Akshay is the tallest, okay. When we will use superlative, this is called superlative form of adjective. Tall is the adjective, and when we will use superlative form of adjective, we will add est to the adjective to make it superlative form of adjective. Understood? So when we are using superlative form of degree, we will use the before the adjective. So here we will say like this that Akshay is the tallest of them all. The tallest, okay? Next, in exercise A, complete the table. Loud, louder, loudest. Short, shorter, shortest. Safe, safer, safest. Weight, waiter, weightest. Low, lower, lowest. Large, larger, largest. In your exercise B, underline the correct adjectives from the ones given in brackets. A whale is large, larger, largest than an elephant. Here is what? Than. If than is there in a sentence, that means we are comparing between two persons, two animals, or two things. That means a whale is compared with elephant. So what we have to use? We have to add er to the adjective. That is comparative form of degree. So here we will underline this one, that a whale is larger than an elephant. A tortoise is the slower, slowest animal I know. Now here you see, as I have told, that when we are using superlative form of degree, or when we are using superlative form of adjective, we will add the before the adjective. So if there is the, so we have to use superlative form of adjective, that is slowest. So the tortoise is the slowest animal of I know. In superlative form of degree, we will add est to the adjective. My skipping rope is. Here again you see than is there. So without thinking we will underline this one, comparative form of adjective. My skipping rope is longer than yours. A feather is very light, lighter, lightest. As there is no than, as there is no the, so we will use positive form of degree, means simple adjective, light. A feather is very light. No lighter, no lightest, because than is not there and the is also not there. So only a feather is very light. Move on to next exercise. But before that, let me complete this one. 5. My sister is, again see here than is there. So my sister is younger than me. A mouse is a dash animal. A mouse is a small animal. Why I have used small, not smaller or smallest? Because in this sentence, than is not there and the is also not there. Okay, so a mouse is a small animal. The strong, stronger, strongest. Now see, here the is there. So we will use superlative form of adjective. The strongest wrestler will win the competition. The strongest wrestler will win the competition. Rupal wrote a dash play. Rupal wrote a short play. Okay? Sometimes adjective change in special ways to show comparison. They do not follow any pattern, like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from brackets and complete the sentences. Nikhil's project was dash. Here is what? Than is there. So if there is than, what? Which one you have to write? Good or better? Better. You have to write better because better is comparative form of adjective. Okay. So Nikhil's project was better. Okay. Next, this is the. Now see, the is there. As I have told you, if there is the is the definite article. So if there is the, you have to use superlative form of adjective, that is worst. This is the worst. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar is the dash talented batsman I know. Now see, here is the Sachin Tendulkar is the most. Most is the superlative form of adjective. Okay. Next, this bottle contains dash water. This bottle contains dash water, yet it takes up dash space inside the fridge. So this bottle contains most water. Yes, it takes up least. Too many sweets are not good for you. Too many sweets are not good for you. Traffic during the day is worse. Traffic during the day is worse than at night. As there is than, so you have to use comparative form of adjective bad. Okay, this is the comparative form of adjective bad. Bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. So you will use worse here as than is there. Okay, this is the dash interesting book. Now here the is there. So this is the most interesting book I have ever read.